Hello. Before I get started, just to let you know, this hideous thing sitting atop my lip. Obviously, you can see it's a mustache, or it's an attempt to be a mustache. It's because it's November. Now we're in November, and to make you aware of men's mental health. Yeah. I'm not sure what the correlation between having facial hair on your top lip and men's mental health is, but it's a thing, isn't it? So, yeah. I've got to tell you, I don't know if I'm going to last the month with this, because it's not doing my mental health much good, I tell you. You know, every time I get up in the morning, go to a piss, then go to wash my hands and look in the mirror, I'm like, oh, fuck. Bloody hell. Karl Marx. Charlie Chaplin. Anyway, let's get to the point of this video. It is early December. It's the 4th of December. It's early November, the 4th of November. If you might remember, around a month ago, I did a video, an unboxing video of my Massive Joe's pre-workout of the month that just arrived. Well, that was sitting on my doorstep when I got home from work, as I was expecting, near enough. So, let's do an unboxing and see what little tub of stimulated magic we've got this month. Okay, so let's get to it. All right, here we go. It's a surprise. I've got some scissors handy here, by lucky chance, so I don't have to fuck about with all this sellotape and packaging. Oh, there we go. Okay. Ooh, got a letter. Oh yeah, you get the letter. Here we go. Okay, what we got? Ah, Prevail. The Jay Cutler shit. Cotton candy grape flavour. Nice. Check it out. Yeah, Jay Cutler's like isn't he a multiple Olympia winner? It looks like he's been stung by about a million bees. Like that, you know. I've no desire to look like that, but I'm assuming he knows his shit when it comes to pre-workout. So I won't do any of this today. I'm going to go to the gym soon. I'm just going to use some of my pre-workout that I've got in now. I've got some Ghost Legend Red Frog flavour that needs using, because I've also got that fucking Notorious one in there as well. But yeah, this is cool. So okay, Cutler Prevail Maximum Focus Pre-Workout Primer, Cotton Candy Grape flavour, is Massive Joe's pre-workout of the month, November. Yeah. Okay, and so I told I'd drop a review on this, which will be very soon. I'll see you.